This will really bring on the future for us. I'm blown away with the technology. I think what we've got is the start of something quite big for us.
At Sellafield, we store S&M material in packages. These are stored inside a horizontal channel within a store. The reason we inspect these packages is so that we can identify features which could impinge the package's performance capability. Our current inspections capability is limited in various aspects.
Scanister is a package inspection robot. It's designed to navigate under the packages while they sit in the extrusion where they're stored. It navigates under each canister and it lifts them, rotates them and develops a full 360-degree image of that canister. It works with a pneumatic lifting system and has electronic drive to navigate down the extrusion. The benefit of Scanister is that it gives us a full 360-degree view of the package, so bits that you wouldn't be able to see by just putting cameras down the extrusion with limited access. It allows us to get that full image and also does that in situ, so inside the stores. It's controlled with just a normal joystick and it has very basic controls, so buttons to automate things like alignment, lifting, scanning, and then processing those images either on board the robot or we can do it off board.
It currently runs on pneumatic systems, so with that safety in mind, that fail-safe, so if something were to go wrong, that means the canister will be placed back into its extrusion and you can remove Scanister, no issue. There's also the ability to add additional payloads, such as thermal measurements, ultrasonic thickness gauges. It's really kind of an adaptable platform that can completely characterise the canister. Current inspection techniques are quite slow and cumbersome. It takes quite a long time to get some data and it's not complete. In the same amount of time and less time, we can now get a complete characterisation, saving huge amounts in terms of safety and security.
The key element for me on this one, it's enabling us to do things repeatably. For us, that's absolutely game-changing, because if we can get that repeatably every time in the same way, in the same kind of format, then for us it allows us to predict any maintenance requirements or any degradation of that package. So this is a fundamental step change for the way that we're doing things.
Time is a big thing. The information is going to be there instantly rather than have to wait for it. This is going to provide consistent, repeatable results across the whole lifetime of a package. This is really exciting stuff.
The Game Changers have been instrumental for getting us here. It was their original challenge that drew us into this project, and they've continued to fund it and support it as we've gone through the different stages.
Big innovation of this will mean that we're able to provide much more quantitative data for our technical team. I'm hoping that we'll be able to deploy this throughout initially one store, but then potentially extend it to other stores.
This has obviously been focused on SPRS. We don't have exactly the same channel configuration in the North stores. What it does is exactly the right sort of stuff. How it is deployed needs some work to be able to do that in the North stores. Ideally, I would like to see this extended to cover the North stores.
It's an absolute no-brainer to go for that next phase of, well, we'll actively demonstrate this within a live nuclear facility using one of our, either our dummy cans or one of our live cans. And then from there we can then go towards commissioning.